Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit using CapCut PC. So here are a few editing tricks. You can use green screen here, and you can go to the remove background, chroma key, select the color picker and select the green area, adjust the intensity. You can also add in shadows. You can feather out the edges, but you will need well, you can also clean it up, but you will need Pro for that. Some like videos are harder than others, like this fire right here. Okay, that's the first one. The second one is to basically put a text behind an object. So I'm just going to copy and paste that, and then on the second one you're going to remove the background, and then you're going to go to text and you're going to add the text in between the background and the subject, like this. You can also add animations to just the subject in the front. There's a bunch of kind of animations that you can use here. Obviously some of them are pro, some of them are not. Let's see. That one's cute. Let's not use that. Sure, why not? You can also adjust the duration here. You can also use keyframes for basically anything. So here, if you don't want to use this animation, you can make your own animation. Go back to basic and then add a keyframe here. And then I'm just going to add one here. So on the first keyframe, I just want to move this to the left. And it looks like this. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.